Welcome to Learnology Hub, your path to a better self. Are you an Indian dreaming of exploring the UK? You've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll uncover everything you need to know about the UK Youth Mobility Visa, your ticket to adventure. Let's get started. Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome to our channel. If you are an Indian youth seeking an unforgettable experience in the UK, the Youth Mobility Visa is your golden opportunity. The UK Youth Mobility Visa allows Indian citizens aged 18 to 30 to live and work in the UK for up to 2 years. It's a fantastic chance to immerse yourself in British culture, make lifelong memories, and gain valuable work experience abroad. With this visa, you'll have the freedom to explore the UK's picturesque landscapes, vibrant cities, and rich history. Applying for the UK Youth Mobility Visa is easier than you think. We've got a step-by-step guide on our channel to walk you through the entire process. Documents needed: a valid passport or other document that shows your identity and nationality, Indian. Gather your documents, fill out the online application, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. The visa allows you to work full-time, part-time, or even intern in the UK. It's a fantastic opportunity to gain international work experience and make new friends from around the world. Work in a charming cafe, explore exciting startups, or embrace the corporate world, the choice is yours. Living experience: discover what it's like to live like a local in the UK. From traditional afternoon teas to bustling markets, your experiences will be unforgettable. Get lost in the charming streets of London, indulge in delicious fish and chips, and create stories to share with your loved ones back home. So, what are you waiting for? Take the leap and embark on your UK adventure with the Youth Mobility Visa. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips, visa insights, and exciting journeys. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates.